Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the characteristic of adsorption and some example of adsorption. In the characteristics of adsorption, the first characteristics is the adsorption is the existence of a higher concentration of particular component at the surface of liquid or solid phases. Okay, then adsorption process is done on liquid or solid surface. Number 2, adsorption is decreases in free energy of system when delta G is equal to 0. Adsorption equilibrium is said to be established. Then free energy should be 0. Then number 3, adsorption takes place with evolution of heat. Of course, the reaction should be exothermic. 4 number, when a gas is adsorbed, the freedom of movement of a molecule becomes restricted. Of course, if hydrogen gas is adsorbed on the platinum surface, the freedom of hydrogen gas is restricted. Number 5, delta G is equal to delta H minus T into delta S. It is the equation of free energy and Gibbs energy should be negative or free energy should be negative for the spontaneous process. In next number, the adsorption of particular form means it may be monolayer or multilayer form on the surface of adsorbent. The adsorption process is known as surface phenomenon. Adsorption is useful to study the heterogeneous catalysis. This is the very important characteristic property of the adsorption. Now we discuss some example of adsorption. Adsorption having two types. First is negative adsorption and some example is positive adsorption. In this case, we discuss the positive adsorption example. Decolorization of sugar. Decolorization of sugar. Number 2, adsorption of ammonia from ammonium hydroxide solution by activated charcoal. Adsorption of phenolphthalein from solution of acid and bases. Phenolphthalein is the indicator and we use in acid and bases titration. Adsorption of acetic acid by using activated charcoal. Freshly precipitated silver chloride tend to adsorb either silver or chloride depending on which one of them is in excess. And there is a number of examples of adsorptions and you should be remember this one. Dilute solution of KCl when shaken with the blood charcoal, this solvent is adsorbed preferentially than that of KCl, however at higher concentration. KCl exhibits positive adsorption in which salt being adsorbed rather than water. Of course, in this case, whatever the salt is present in the blood which can adsorb by the KCl, and adsorption process is not only used in chemistry but also used in medical science. Thank you very much. In our next video, we will be discuss the difference